guys. I hope everyone's doing well. I wanted to go over a couple of things. This should all be reviewed, but I know it's been a while. So before you start your lesson, I wanted to review a couple of things. So the first thing is distributive property. So when you have a number outside of parentheses, remember that means to multiply, but when there's two numbers inside, you have to distribute to both numbers. So let me explain what that means. On this particular lesson, you're going to see a multiplication sign here. They don't always put that, but on this one you will see multiplication signs. So 5, we multiply 5 times the x, and that gives us 5x. So this is going to be equal to 5x. Then the sign stays the same, so that's a plus sign. And then we multiply 5 times the 1, and that gives us 5. So when we distribute the 5 to both numbers, that gives us 5x plus 5. Okay? Let's try another one. We have 3 times 2 minus m. So remember, they're going to show it to you like this on this lesson. They're going to put that multiplication sign in there for you. So you're going to multiply 3 times 2, which gives you 6. And then leave the sign the same. So this is a minus. 3 times m just gives you 3m. Okay? Also, you may see something like this. Sometimes your variable will have a number in front of it, but you still just multiply the same way. So we're going to multiply 4 times 2n. So 4 times 2 is 8, so that gives us 8n. Sign stays the same. And then 4 times 3 gives us 12. Okay, so that's distributive property. Another thing you're going to see is commutative property. So commutative property says in addition, the commutative property of addition says that you can move the numbers around and they still equal the same thing. So 5x plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 5x. We can switch those numbers around. Okay? However, when it comes to subtraction, 6 minus 3m is not equal to 3m minus 6. You can't just turn around a subtraction problem. So those are not equal. Okay? On this one, since it's addition, you can change them around. So 8n plus 12 is the same as 12 plus 8n. Okay? And then another property you're going to see, identity property of multiplication, says that anything times 1 equals that number. So 8x times 1 will equal 8x. Okay? All right. I think those are the 3 properties you're going to use to complete this lesson. If you have any further questions, remember you can message me, call me, send me a message on here. I will be happy to get with you and help you if you need more help. I hope you have a great week, and I look forward to seeing your work. Thank you.